So what is a core charge? So in this video, I'm going to explain to you guys what a core charge is when you're buying auto parts. So a lot of you guys have been tuning in, watching all my DIY videos, and I got a lot going on here. We fix a whole bunch of stuff from like snowblowers to automobiles to things around your house. So what some of you may not know is what a core charge is on auto parts. So what happens is sometimes when you're fixing your car, say you're taking off like a brake caliper, let's use that as an example. You go to the auto parts store and you say to the guy, hey, I need a new brake caliper. Let's say it's for this 89 Jeep behind me. You need a brake caliper for an 89 Wrangler. He gives you the new part and he goes, yeah, the part is $120, but there's a $30 core charge on it. And you say, okay. Then you're kind of looking around, what's the core charge? What's that? I don't know what it is. So what a core charge is that it's a charge on the part for you to return, meaning that the old part that you take off your vehicle, they want that part back so that they can send it back to the manufacturer. They can recondition it, usually, and make a new part out of it again. So if you took your brake caliper back, you fixed your Jeep, you took the old brake caliper off, you brought it back to the auto parts store, and you give it back to the guy at the counter, he'll give you the $30 or whatever it was that he said he was going to charge you as a core charge for. So I hope you learned something today, and I kind of like to explain some things as we go along here, because a lot of you guys watching the channel, you're trying things out for yourself, you're fixing your snow blowers, you're fixing your ATVs, you're trying to fix stuff on your car, and you go to the auto parts store and you're like, what is this? What's a core charge? I don't know what this is. I'm not a mechanic. So just wanted to give you the down low on it, and so you don't feel like an idiot when you're talking to the guy at the auto parts counter. So I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Ask some questions if you have other general automotive questions. We'd like to hear them all. Either I'll reply back to you on them or one of our subscribers will. Hang out on the channel. Sub the channel. You get all of our latest and greatest downloads. They upload stuff every week. So you never know what's going to come out there. You might get something on a snowblower, you might get something on your house, you might get something on an ATV, you might get something on your camper. But it's going to be something. So don't forget to tune in. I'll see you guys later. Take it easy.